Today we'll know the easiest way we can remove background from a picture. What's up guys, hope you guys are fine. If you see our videos for the first time, please subscribe our channel. So without making any further delay, let's go to the screen directly. So here on the screen you have to write down remove.bg in the address bar of Google. Once you search for remove.bg, you can find this window. You can upload any of your images from your gallery. I've selected one of my favorite heroes, Sushant Singh. Just uploaded it. Then you can see that the easiest way his background has been removed from his picture. I am downloading his image without background. So in this easiest way you can easily remove the background of any picture. Please subscribe our channel, hit the like button, share as many as possible, and give your comment. What kind of video do you want?
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated.